Hi kids, good morning. How are you all? Welcome to our third lesson, that is plants around us. Today I am going to teach your third lesson, that is plants around us.
Objectives of the lesson. First one, plants around us. Second one, parts of a plant. And third one, plants grow from seeds. Before starting the lesson, let us have a short visit to our school garden. Are you ready? Let us go. Now we are in a little garden. You can see several plants around here. Are they all looking same? No, they have different shapes and sizes. Look here, some plants are big, like Ashoka tree. They are big plants. Once again, trees are big plants. Some are smaller than trees. Some plants are smaller than trees. You can see some small plants here. Rose plant. They are smaller than trees. Compared to trees, they are small plants. You can see very small plants. They are grasses. Grasses are very small plants. Like money plants, some need support to grow. As we have seen, plants are of different shapes and different sizes. Some are big, some are small, and some are very small. Big plants. Plants that are big and strong are called trees. Example, neem, mango, banyan, lychee, apple and coconut. Once again, plants that are big and strong are called trees. Example, neem, mango, banyan, lychee, apple and coconut tree. Small plants. Small plants are classified into two. They are shrubs and herbs. Shrubs. Small plants with a woody stem are called shrubs. Once again, small plants with woody stem are called shrubs. Example, rose plant, cotton plant and hibiscus. Example, rose plant, cotton plant and hibiscus. Herbs. Some small plants have soft stems. Such a plants that are called herbs. Example, mint and spinach. Once again, some small plants have soft stems. They are called herbs. Example, mint and spinach. Plants that cannot stand straight. Some plants have weak stems. They need support to grow. They take the support of walls, sticks or other plants. Such plants are called climbers. Example, money plant, sweet pea, beans and grapes. Creepers. There are some plants that grow along the ground. These are called creepers.
For example, watermelon and pumpkin. Dear kids, let us do some exercise. Look at the plants growing in Maya's garden. Write whether they are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers or creepers. First one, mango plant. Is it a trees or shrub? Second, hibiscus. Is it a shrubs or herbs? Third one, spinach plant. Is it a herbs or shrubs? Fourth, money plant. Is it a climber or creepers? Fifth, pumpkin plant. Is it a climber or creeper? Yes. Now let us see whether your answers are correct or wrong. First one, mango plant is a tree. Second one, hibiscus is a shrub. Third one, spinach is a herb. Fourth one, money plant is a climber. And last one, pumpkin is a creeper.
Now we are going to discuss about parts of a plant. You know that we are human beings. We have body parts like head, eyes, nose, hand, etc. Just like us, plants also have their own body parts. They are flower, leaf, stem, and root. Once again, parts of a plant are flower, leaf, stem, and roots.
Already we saw what are the different parts of a plant. Now let us see them in detail. Flower. Flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. It later becomes a fruit. Stem. It takes food and water to all parts of the body. Leaf. Leaf makes food for the plant. Root. Root takes in water and other things needed for the plant. Plants grow from seeds. You must have seen seeds inside a watermelon or one big seed in a mango. Many plants grow from seed. Seeds are placed in the soil. Plants grow from seeds. A plant needs light, air and water to grow. Plants get other useful things from the soil. I hope all of you understood the lesson very clearly. Thank you for watching. Bye. Yasmin Joseph.